How to reinstall graphics driver display on Windows. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to reinstall graphics driver display driver on Windows. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. Simply open up your device manager on your device. After that, go to display adapters, and here you should be able to find a graphic adapter. Just right click on it and you need to update your driver. So when you update your driver, you can find this update driver option. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be finding all of the drivers, graphic drivers that you have on your device. Just wait for it to load first and go on with browse my computer for drivers. After that, let me pick a list of available drivers here. After that, wait for it to load first, and here you'll be able to find all of the drivers. So what you're going to do is, the next step, you're just going to click on every drivers and tap on next and update each of the drivers that is on your device. Just go on with the process of updating each of the drivers. Right now I have 3. Just click on it, tap on next, and wait for the installation to be completed on all 3 of them, and your problem should be fixed and you should be able to download the graphic drivers on your device. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to reinstall graphic driver display driver on Windows. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.